Over the past 5 years, artificial intelligence has taken the business world by storm. In 2016, half of the Fortune 500 CEOs believed AI and machine learning was very important to their company's future. In 2017, just 1 year later, that number rose to over 80%. Tractica, a tech-focused market intelligence firm, expects revenue from applied AI to grow from $5 billion in 2017 to over $100 billion by 2025. There are three key trends driving this modern AI renaissance: big data, better computers, and smarter algorithms. According to IBM, the world generates over 2.5 million terabytes of data each day, and over 90% of all data ever generated was created over the past 2 years. Crunching all that data requires powerful computers. A common metric here is the cost per gigaflop, or how much it costs to run 1 billion floating point operations. In 2000, the cost was $640. In 2011, it was under $2. And just last year, in October 2017, it was down to 3 cents. We've also gotten better at using those computers. The number of AI papers published each year is growing exponentially, adding a lot more diversity and depth to our algorithmic toolbox. All three of these trends are expected to continue driving modern AI research forward at a breathtaking pace. Some companies in the insurance industry are already starting to capitalize on this opportunity. Lemonade, an insurtech startup, uses AI to process 25% of claims within 3 seconds. Liberty Mutual has an experimental app that uses AI to look at pictures of damaged vehicles and automatically assess repair costs. And Geico has an AI-powered virtual assistant named Kate that has been interacting with real customers for almost 2 years. These companies have all realized that AI can help turn their massive amount of data into a huge competitive advantage, and they definitely aren't the only ones. The next 5 to 10 years will see insurance companies of all sizes becoming increasingly data and AI driven. For companies that don't want to get left behind, now is the perfect time to start. And as you start incorporating AI, there are 4 terms you will hear more than any others: artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and big data. This next module will explain what each of those terms mean.